How to rotate table in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, as of now there is no any option to rotate table in Google Docs, but I'm going to show you the one trick that you can use and you can simply rotate your table in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. So first what we need to do, we need to insert the table. So I just take the table 4 column here, and I can write something here. Okay, so this is table I have created. So now here you can see there is no any option in table. If I go to the table and go to the more of table option, so here I can see there is no any rotation option for rotate. There is no option for the rotate, you can see. Okay, so there is one trick you can use. What you need to do, just hit the window shift and S key, then this option will be come up. Okay, so this option will be for every windows if you're using the window. Okay, so hit the window key, shift key plus S key. Okay, I write here the key, shortcut key, shift window key plus shift key plus S key. Okay, just hit that key together. Now the screenshot option will be come up. Then you need to just select this option, and now you have to select that table like this. After you select, it will be screenshot. So your screenshot will be saved in your computer folder. So by default it will be saved in your picture folder. I will show you. First what we need to do, just delete that table. Now go to the picture, go to the upload, and here under the your PC, go to the option called picture here. Okay, go to the my computer or this computer, and this is a picture folder here, and here you can see the screenshot option, and here you can find your all screenshots, or you can simply search folder from here. Go to the my computer and you can search that folder. By default it will be saved in picture only. So go to the screenshot and you can see this is a screenshot I have just taken. Just double click on it, then it will be insert to the Google Docs page. Now we need to select that image. It will be image now because it is not more now table, so it will be converted in picture. So now select that picture and go to the option called wrap text. Now you will enable to move this table or picture. Okay, you can simply increase the size or decrease the size like this. Now you can rotate from here. Just select that page, and you need to keep the cursor on this blue dot and click and hold it. Now you can rotate 90 degree like this. Okay, or you can rotate as per your requirement, you can see. Or you can simply select that picture, go to the image option, and here you can see the option called size and rotation, and simply click on this 90 degree rotate. It will be rotate. Okay, or you can simply rotate like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.